Hello, this is Sue from dragoncreations.co.uk, and today I'm going to show you how to make dragon hearts. And they're really pretty. I like these a lot. I make a lot of these. Right, so this is my mould. And I'm just going to give it a light spritz. That's all it needs. Okay, each mould takes just over 10 grams. So I mixed up 100 grams, which was 52A, 48B. Then I decanted 20 grams with 5 drops of pigment tint, grape purple, then 20 grams of clear 1, 20 grams of mica 1, good heaped spoon, and that's purple orchid, 20 grams of mica 2, and this is a really deep purple that I made myself by mixing the mica together, so don't be afraid to make your own mica. Just mix your colours up until you get a colour that you want. I wanted a really dark purple, so I thought I'm going to mix it myself. And then I've also got 20 grams of clear 2, but there's not enough space on here at the moment, so it's off to the side. Right, so we're going to puddle pour basically everything. So we're going to pour our tint in the middle. But we're not going to make them all uniform. So we'll mix them up a little bit. There we go, just enough. Just get that last little drop out. There. Just cleaning my sticks off as I go as normal. Okay, then we're going with our clear 1. Again, we're just going to puddle pour it in the middle of the tint. Trying to judge them the right size, which you can from the bottom of the heart to the dip of the heart. Scrape out the top one. if there's any left. There we go. Oops. Just threw my cloth at myself. Okay, going with a quick debubble. Just lightly brush it over the top. And now we'll go in with the light purple. Again, just puddle pour. Okay, I'm just going to stop there for the moment because I'm going to make these the other way round. No, you're not going to drop, you are going to drop. There. Alright, they all seem to be the same size. Right, now I'll go back in. Yes. I was going to debubble, but they don't seem to need it. So now I will add my purple, my second mica to the top ones. Just enough left. To do this one. Let's scrape this out round this side. I think I'll put a tiny bit more in the first one. Okay, and then I'll finish off with my light purple. Oh, I missed. bit more in this one. Okay, that's our micas in. Now I'll give them a good debubble. And we're going to go in with our clear 2 in the middle, and that should just push them to the edge, give them a tiny bit of a dome. Make sure you stop before you overdome them. And the last one. Okay, I think they're all nice and level. That one can do with a tiny bit more. No, I'm going to have to scrape it. Tiny bit more. And that one. And that's it. So that's our dragon scales in our little dragon hearts. So now going for a really good debubble. And I shall leave these to set overnight. Just straighten them up slightly. No, I'm not going to move them actually. I shall cover these over and leave them to set overnight, and then we shall demould together. So I shall see you in the demould. Bye for now. Okay, they're all nice and set, so it's demould time. So I shall take them all out, and then we can have a look. So all nice and clean, ready for the next time. Okay, here we go. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, they're just so pretty. Oh, I like the two-tone on that one. Oh, look at that one. All the cracks on that one. Try and get the light off it. So yeah, they are our dragon hearts. They're really easy to do, and you can make them into key rings, necklaces, anything you want really. So I hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.